Hey guys, it's a nice day today and I'm in the backyard. It's sunny, as you can see, and I'm setting these seeds. This is a kitchen garden kit, herbs, and it comes with this soil like this, and you have to put it in warm water. Comes in these small pots also to set it in, and once you put the water on it, it's gonna absorb the water and it's gonna swell and become bigger like this. It's the soil, and then you put it in the pot and you get your seeds, like how many seed you want to put inside. And these are the non-GMO seeds, so these are the good type. You can get the organic one or the non-GMO. You just put some soil in here like this, and then you put the seed on it and then cover it. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's the seedlings I set in the small pots, and that's it right there. I'm just kidding guys, this is it right here. I finished setting them in the small pots, and I have cherry tomato, chives, giant tomatoes, parsley, basil, and cucumbers. And this is the boxes it came in. The Kitchen Herbs Grow Kit contains everything you need to grow for your garden herbs. And 3 in a pack. It costs $5 from Big Lots, I think. So I already setted them, and I'm gonna leave it in the sunlight a little and then take it inside. Depends on the weather, and we'll see from there. When it grows, I'm gonna make another video. So if you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.